The image you sent shows a half moon. The moon's illumination changes throughout its cycle, going from a full moon to a new moon and back again. A half moon occurs when exactly half of the moon's visible face is illuminated by the sun. Solar system. Here are some of the key features visible in the image. Saturn's rings. The most striking feature is the prominent ring system encircling the planet. These rings are composed of ice and rock particles of various sizes. Saturn's atmosphere. The planet itself appears with its characteristic bands of clouds, indicating the presence of atmospheric storms and winds. The Milky Way. In the background, we can see a portion of the Milky Way galaxy, our home galaxy, with its swirling dust and gas clouds. A distant sun. A small sun is visible in the distance, likely representing our own sun. This image is a stunning representation of the beauty and grandeur of our solar system and the universe beyond. Saturn, the ring giant. Saturn is most famous for its spectacular rings, which are composed of billions of ice particles ranging in size from dust grains to house-sized chunks. A gas giant. Saturn is a gas giant, primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. It has no solid surface. Fast rotation. Saturn has the second fastest rotation period in the solar system, completing a full rotation on its axis in about 10.7 hours. This rapid rotation causes the planet to bulge at the equator. Many moons. Saturn has a large number of moons, with over 80 confirmed moons and many more awaiting confirmation. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, is larger than the planet Mercury. Hexagonal storm. A persistent hexagonal storm exists at Saturn's north pole. This unique storm pattern has fascinated scientists for years. The image you sent depicts a pregnant woman with a cheetah-like appearance, wearing Egyptian-style attire. It is likely a fictional representation of a deity or a mythological figure. The combination of animal features and Egyptian iconography suggests a creature from a fantasy or mythological setting. Here are some possible interpretations based on the visual elements: a fusion of Bastet and Sekhmet. Bastet is the Egyptian goddess of cats, while Sekhmet is the goddess of war and healing. The cheetah-like appearance might be a nod to Sekhmet's fierceness, a representation of fertility and motherhood. The woman's pregnancy could symbolize the power of creation and the cycle of life. A character from a fantasy or science fiction story. The image could be a visual representation of a character from a fictional world where humans and animals coexist or have merged. The image you provided depicts a scene with a group of humanoid aliens. Based on their appearance, they seem to be a fictional species created for artistic or entertainment purposes. Here's what we can observe about them. Physical characteristics. They have a distinctive appearance: smooth, blue skin, large almond-shaped eyes, and small mouths. They are wearing gold-colored clothing and footwear. Social structure. The image suggests they have a hierarchical social structure, possibly with a leader or central figure at the head of a long team. The aliens in the image are likely from a fictional planet. Their appearance is unique and not based on any known real-world species. Therefore, their planet would also be fictional. If you'd like, I can help you brainstorm some ideas for the planet these aliens can be from. We could consider things like the planet's environment. Is it a hot, desert planet? A cold, icy world? A lush, tropical paradise? The planet's history. Has it been colonized by other species? Has it experienced major natural disasters? The planet's culture. What are the values that lead to the aliens who live there?